Hey yo, Nash, you go crazy.
Money, I don't want no problems. But if you pull up, I'ma show you they ain't got no guidance. And I ain't never gotta look for anyone to ride with, cause all my niggas like a water park forever sliding. I told my niggas I'ma blow up and I stand on that. And if you play, we loading up inside the vans by that. Diving in the pool of rats and I'ma stay under. Had to show out, now I'm on their heels just like some shea butter. Let's go, I got this rapper slick dissing cause I'm speaking the truth. I'm sipping lean, getting head while I'm squeezing the tool. Pistol getting down and dirty, show his cleavage to you. Judge his book by its cover, I'ma read it to you. We pull up in them foreign cars, looking like we got it all. I'm shooting nothing but the net. To me, this shit like volleyball. My niggas got up out them streets, I am so fucking proud of y'all. I checked my rollie and it's really said that it's our time to ball. I'm so thankful that I can see mine. I'm grinding for an Escalade. My homie want that G5. They got they blanket out. Them motherfuckers think it's sleep time. Don't know I'm in control. The savage back just like a rebound. I don't want no screaming. I'ma shoot these niggas in the head. Sleeping on me, fuck it. I'ma make sure that you piss the bed. If I can't find you, I'ma tell them kill your bitch instead. Laying all these pussy niggas down just like a kitchen spread. This that gangsta love, bitch. I'm thugging. You get kidnapped. I gave the game to y'all, but I got bored. I want my shit back. She looking like a bitch snacking me. I'm a 4-course meal. Talking stupid, that's gon' only get your homeboys killed. Now that's some gangsta shit.
Yeah, that shit gon' get you killed, nigga. All my niggas body, all my niggas bought for real, nigga. Nigga talking down on me, they'll get you killed, nigga. My nigga ready to kill shit, we ready to splash shit. Nigga talking down on me, yeah, I bust your wig. For niggas hating on me, but I'm full of shit. And niggas hating on us, but I'm with this shit. I'm 16, but my niggas, we still in list. I'm a nigga get the money, yeah, we up in the 2. I'm a nigga stand on 10, yeah, you know how we do. I'm a niggas get the money, all we do stick and move. Nigga talking down on me, I'ma show you what I'm gon' do. All my niggas body, for nigga talking down on me, but you cannot stop me. I'm only 16, all my niggas really popping. For niggas hating on me, but you cannot stop me. Although you can't stop me, my niggas all about it, cause we come out the gym. For nigga talking down on me, you know you can't swim. My nigga deep up in the water and we jump out the gym. For nigga talking down on me, we gon' leave your ass screaming. Yeah, yeah, we gon' leave your ass screaming. Up and with the fucking banger, and you know that I'm beaming. Yeah, you know that I'm beaming. For what you said, but you know that I mean it. Gang.